Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing my nails with street art, and I've only used them once by using a sample, and today I just want to try it out, raw video of just if it's easy, hard, and how long they will last. Personally for me, they lasted about the same as normal nail polish, good nail polish, about a week, and they started chipping, and yeah, so I think it's just personal preference. So this is gonna be my first time putting a full set on my nails, so it will be kind of like a first impression review of how easy it is or how difficult it can be to put these nails on. So as you open it, there's the set for nails, nail prep, some alcohol to rub off any grease or oils off your nails, and a little file. So let's open everything up. So first step says, let's see, is to wipe each nail. So let's open this up and wipe each nail. Open up the other one for the other hand. Now we open this one. And there are 8 different sizes. Let's see which one. I think this one would work for my thumb. So what you do is you just take it off and you peel the clear coat, and then you grab the gray and you peel off from the paper, and here is the nail color that you apply. And then you take this little tab off, and now you put on your thumb, like that. And you could just take this off with your nail. So you kind of crease it, and you can just take it off with your nail like that. And there is your first finger. And this side you can even use on the other finger. Let's see if this will work. maybe on one of the smaller fingers. Yep. So I use one sticker for 2 nails. And then I just bent this over. And if you use a file, you can use a file to get the excess off. I feel like just doing it with your finger is actually just easier, just getting it off, the excess. So it's actually pretty easy. I feel like for me it's pretty easy. I don't feel like it's hard, but with the sample that I did, it didn't last. It lasts about a week. And then my nails obviously grow. They grow fast, and they started to kind of chip off, I guess I would say, a little bit. You know, knickknacks here and there. So I just laid it down, and I start from the top and kind of push it down to try and straighten everything out, so straight. And then the excess, I just, at the tip of my nail, I kind of put in pressure, and I hold with my finger, and I kind of rip it off. And then here is the other side, and then I use that on the top, like I can use like this. They turned out very well. Hope you guys like this video, and thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Bye.